Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, we are tracking some severe and winter weather events, including a rare day 2% tornado risk given by the Storm Prediction Center to the state of California. While I can definitely say that weather models are more confident on a high wind event than a tornado event, let's head over to Pivotal Weather and check the HRR High Resolution Forecast model for some more details.
Let me take over for this one. You can see here there's a line of thunderstorms. Remember, all these storms are the precursor to tomorrow's potential tornadic event. These storms are capable of producing waterspouts if the first storms grow stronger. Special marine warnings would play a crucial part in the early stages. Get your NOAA weather radios, flashlights, safety tools, and stuff ready for tomorrow, as Mother Nature ain't messing around.
I'm here approaching Early Mart as I'm here to meet up with some of my chaser friends. Then we're gonna head north on Interstate 5, go on Highway 312 and go probably set up at San Jose, which is where the main threat is expected to begin.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, station KEC 49, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 MHz from atop McQueen's Ridge. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located in Monterey, California, and serves the South Bay and Monterey Bay Area, including the cities of San Jose, Monterey, Salinas. This is an urgent warning message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in San Francisco has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Point San Pedro to Point Sur, including offshore waters west of San Francisco to Big Sur out to 60 nautical miles until 5:45 a.m. At 4:59 a.m., Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts up to 40 knots, waterspouts, and frequent lightning, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazards: strong thunderstorms producing wind gusts to 40 knots or greater, frequent lightning, locally high seas, and possible waterspout source. Satellite and radar indicate a rapidly intensifying storm system moving eastward toward the central coastal waters. Impact: small craft could be damaged, and briefly high winds and suddenly higher waves. Waterspouts can pose a serious hazard to marine vessels. Move to safe harbor immediately. Remain below deck if possible and secure all loose gear. Avoid using electronic equipment during lightning activity.
Do you think I am crazy? Look at the goddamn SPC outlook. There's a slight risk over fucking California. What the actual fuck is going on?
Okay chat, sorry that happened, I had to mute him anyway. Yes, what you heard from him, there is a slight risk over Central California and portions of Southern California. You know, we only get slight risks in California like once every probably at least 6 or 7 years. It isn't rare to see them here in Lake Charles, but to see them in California, dude, I am shocked. I don't think I will ever see one in my lifetime. Let's head on over to our live camera segment. Josh, you are in Hanford. What is it looking like outside right now?
Yes, hello Brian, I am here stopped on Houston Avenue looking northwest. I am probably a good 2 to 3 minutes away southwest of Hanford, and right now it is looking pretty peaceful, but that will not be the case during the late afternoon into evening hours as storms begin to form, and who knows? 1 or 2 thunderstorms could produce isolated damaging wind gusts, some brief hail, and possibly a funnel cloud. If you are watching this somewhere in Hanford or really any areas east of Interstate 5, I advise you to begin preparing for what can be a mini severe weather event unfolding. Brian, back to you.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch Number 1, effective until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, for the following counties, in California: Marin, Sonoma, Napa, Solano, Sacramento, Amador, Alpine, San Francisco, San Mateo, Santa Cruz, Santa Clara, Alameda, Contra Costa, San Joaquin, Calaveras, Stanislaus, Tuolumne, Mono, Mariposa, Merced, Madera, Fresno, Kings, Tulare, Inyo, Kern, San Bernardino, Los Angeles, Orange, Riverside, Ventura, Santa Barbara, San Luis Obispo, Monterey and San Benito. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Severe thunderstorms can and occasionally do produce tornadoes.
Okay, moving on. Next topic is the severe weather. Jake, you know there are a few times we have had to stop our show in the middle of, let's say, a marginal risk day due to warnings being put out. Now I will say NWS Hanford has had its fair share of severe thunderstorm and even tornado warnings. But it's not a marginal, it's a slight. Watch, a warning will be issued in 3, 2, 1. Oh look, it didn't happen. Haha, I am always
The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Kern County in Central California until 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 11:38 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Blackwell's Corner or near Lost Hills, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Accumulating hail could make travel hazardous. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Annette, Keck's Corner, Blackwell's Corner, North Belridge, Lost Hills, Spicer City, Semi-Tropic, Missouri Triangle, Reward, McKittrick, Derby Acres, Fellows, Taft, Maricopa, San Mateo, Valley Acres, Lebec, Grapevine, Mettler, Lakeview, Kern Lake, Tupman, Logan and Buttonwillow. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This storm is capable of producing dangerous hail and damaging winds. This storm is showing signs of rotation, funnel clouds are possible, and if it strengthens, a tornado cannot be ruled out. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
The time is 11:38 a.m. It is January 6, 2027. I am recording this because it is possibly, if not one of the first warnings I have gotten by my NOAA weather radio. I am in Buttonwillow and I have a good visual on it.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Accumulating hail could make travel hazardous. Source: radar. The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a tornado warning for West Central Kern County in Central California until 12:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 12:11 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 2 miles north of Blackwell's Corner, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impact: Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Blackwell's Corner, North Belridge, Reward. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Hanford, California. Repeat. The National Weather Service in Hanford, California has issued a tornado warning until 12:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for west central Kern counties in central California. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for northern, central and southern California until 7:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.